Hey, there's a tip I just thought about that I want to share with you. I've been at my mother's for a while now, and I wanted to show you something that really keeps me sharp. Now see this here? It's a puzzle. Yep. And I'm not just talking about this particular puzzle, okay? I'm talking about any sort of puzzle. It gets your mind focused. It gets it relaxed. You formulate certain plans. You see things differently. It makes you concentrate. All of that you can do with a puzzle. Now see, I'm not joking, am I? I put all these puzzles together. Here's 550 pieces. 300 pieces for that one. Here's the one that I'm doing right now is 1,000 pieces. Okay, here's another 1,000 pieces. Oh, that one was hard too. And here's one. This one was super hard. 2,000 pieces. Yeah. It really keeps you concentrating. Here's another 1,000 piece. This one was difficult too. Okay. All kinds of stuff like that. It just makes you think better and be more nimble and stuff, and dedication, perseverance, all of that wrapped up in just putting a puzzle together. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you. See what happens when you focus on things for a few days? You get things done.